How to use Find My iPhone for someone else. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. The Find My app helps you locate your Apple devices, keep track of items with AirTags, and see where your friends and family are. Once you are in the app, you will see a few tabs at the bottom. Tap on the People tab to view the location of friends or family who are sharing their location with you. From the list, tap on a person's name to see their location on the map. On this page, you can find options like getting directions to their location. Tap on Directions to open up the map and see the route. You can only locate someone else's iPhone with their permission, either by having them share their location with you temporarily or permanently. Following these steps, you can easily find my iPhone for someone else on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.